My name is Danny, and I grew up in Woolwich with my mom and dad who ran a Chinese takeaway. Up until the age of 16, I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I didn't even think of leaving school as an option. When I was at school, I was very good at art and design as well. I had quite a few things to overcome. Part of it was there were a few subjects I really struggled at. Over an hour commute to school each way. And on top of the work that I had to be a part of helping out my family at the takeaway. My dad would cook, my mum would take the orders. One of my jobs would be to write the number on the lid. 63 is an egg fried rice. I'm not going to forget that, ever. There's been many people that have really inspired me, but I think seeing my dad work super hard to provide a living was very inspirational. One of my chores at home was to cook dinner for my brothers because my parents were out working. And so I enjoyed cooking because it didn't feel like work. There was a lot of enjoyment to take out of that, and to think that that could be something I could pursue as a career felt like a really good option, and something clicked where I went to college. It all happened so quickly. I instead of leaving school, and that was a hard option to make. Embarking on a new journey may seem difficult, but when it's something that you're passionate in, like cooking for me, it was an amazing payoff. Since graduating from Westminster Kingsway College, I've had numerous incredible experiences. Currently, I'm a chef in London. The hours are crazy. Being on your feet for sometimes 16 hours a day, it just becomes a part of the way that you live. Careers advice should promote vocational skills. I feel like the stigma of being in a vocational skill as being less of a level of university has to really die out, because I feel like there's many ways of being smart. A little bit of advice to my 16-year-old self would be to find something that you could really picture yourself doing for a couple of years. And if you're already enjoying it, you're probably going to love it for the rest of your life. When you're passionate about something, it doesn't feel like you're working. When I competed in WorldSkills in Lille, I represented the UK and I won gold for cooking. And I also won a medallion for excellence at Sao Paulo as well. You're really a part of something special. Although I've had a very travelling heavy career, moving to New York and many places around London, the medals are one of the only things that always stay on me wherever I go. It's always that reminder. It was a huge, daunting challenge that I overcame and was successful on the other side.